Did you know planting the right vegetables in March can double your garden's success in Zone 9? Stay tuned because today I'm revealing the top veggies you need to plant to transform your garden. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you grow a thriving garden, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for Zone 9 gardeners, the best vegetables to plant in March. So why is March such a game changer for Zone 9 gardeners? It's all about timing. March brings the perfect mix of mild weather and warm soil, ideal conditions for your plants to thrive. Think of it as nature's way of giving your garden a running start. But here's the catch. Not all veggies thrive when planted in March. Picking the right ones can mean the difference between a sow harvest and a garden bursting with fresh, homegrown goodness. Whether you're just starting your first garden or you're a seasoned pro looking to boost your harvest, this video is for you. Let's dive in and turn your garden into a March masterpiece. Let's jump right into the essential vegetables you should be planting in March if you're in Zone 9. These veggies are not only easy to grow, but will also give you a bountiful harvest if you plant them now. First up, tomatoes. March is the perfect time to plant tomatoes in Zone 9 because the weather is just right, warm days and cool nights. Tomatoes thrive in this balance, growing strong and healthy. If you're unsure which varieties to choose, try cherry tomatoes for snacking, beefsteak for sandwiches, or Roma for sauces. Trust me, homegrown tomatoes are sweeter, juicier, and far better than anything you'll find at the store. Next up, peppers. Whether you love sweet bell peppers or spicy jalapenos, March is the time to plant them. Peppers thrive in Zone 9's warm climate and will keep producing all summer. Bell peppers are perfect for salads, stir-fries, or stuffed dishes, while jalapenos add a spicy kick to salsas and grilled recipes. When planting, make sure they get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily and space them about 18 inches apart for optimal growth. Finally, beans. If you want a veggie that's easy to grow and delivers quick results, beans are your go-to. March is the ideal time to plant them in Zone 9 because the warm soil helps seeds germinate quickly. Choose from bush beans, pole beans, or snap beans, all great options. Bush beans are compact and don't need support, while pole beans grow vertically, perfect for small spaces. Beans are also packed with protein and fiber, making them a healthy addition to your meals. Plus, they improve soil health by fixing nitrogen win-win. So there you have it. Tomatoes, peppers, and beans are the top 3 veggies to plant in March for Zone 9. They're easy to grow, full of flavor, and perfect for your spring garden. Now, let's move on to some planting techniques to help you get the most out of your garden this March. Here's a pro tip. If you're not using these planting techniques, you're missing out on 50% of your garden's potential. Let me show you how to fix that. First up, direct sowing. This is when you plant seeds straight into the soil instead of starting them indoors. It's perfect for veggies like beans, carrots, and radishes because they grow fast and don't like being moved around. Here's how to do it. Loosen the soil, remove any weeds, plant the seeds at the depth recommended on the packet, cover them with soil, and water gently. Direct sowing is quick, easy, and ideal for Zone 9's warm March weather. Next, let's talk about transplanting. This is when you move seedlings from indoor pots to your outdoor garden. It's perfect for plants like tomatoes and peppers, which need a head start to thrive. Here's how to do it. First, harden off your seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week. Then, dig a hole slightly larger than the seedling's root ball, place the seedling in the hole, fill it with soil and water well. Transplanting gives your plants a strong start and helps them grow roots fast. Finally, watering and soil prep, these two can make or break your garden. In Zone 9, the soil dries out fast in March, so water deeply and consistently. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation and give your plants time to soak up the moisture before the heat kicks in. For soil prep, make sure your garden bed is rich in organic matter. Add compost or well-rotted manure to boost soil structure and nutrients. Healthy soil equals healthy plants, so don't skip this step. By using these techniques, direct sowing, transplanting, and proper watering and soil prep, you'll set your garden up for success. Now let's dive into some essential tips to keep your Zone 9 March garden thriving. Now that you've planted your garden, let's talk about some essential tips to keep it thriving throughout March and beyond. These tips will help you protect your plants, maximize their growth, and ensure a bountiful harvest. First, let's talk pest protection. March is when pests start showing up, so stay ahead of them. Use natural solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap to keep them away. Planting marigolds or basil near your veggies also helps. They're natural pest repellents. Check your plants regularly for damage and remove pests by hand if you spot any. Remember, prevention is key. Don't wait until it's too late. Next, manage sunlight and shade. In Zone 9, the sun can be strong, even in March. Most veggies need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily, but some, like lettuce and spinach, do better with partial shade during the hottest part of the day. Use shade cloth or plant taller crops like corn or tomatoes to create natural shade for smaller plants. Finally, try companion planting. This is when you plant certain crops together to help each other out. For example, plant tomatoes with basil. Basil repels pests that attack tomatoes, and tomatoes provide shade for basil. Another great combo is beans with corn. Beans add nitrogen to the soil, which corn needs to grow tall and strong. Companion planting boosts plant health and makes the most of your garden space. By following these tips, pest protection, sunlight management, and companion planting, you'll give your Zone 9 March garden the best chance to thrive. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick recap and some final thoughts. Imagine in just a few weeks, you'll step into your garden and harvest fresh, homegrown veggies. How amazing would that feel? Let's make it happen. To recap, we've covered the best veggies to plant in March for Zone 9 tomatoes, peppers, and beans, plus essential planting techniques and tips to keep your garden thriving. Now, it's your turn. Grab your seeds, get out there, and start planting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. For more tips like these, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening!